Secretary Lopez, does the U.S. China trade war cast a shadow on the Philippine growth prospects?
I guess in the long term, it will cast a shadow if this trade tension won't really stop or decelerate. But as of the moment, the impact is, I would consider, quite minimal. Only because we still maintain a very good relationship with both countries. Separately, I mean, our trade with China is growing as ever, much faster growth, in fact, in the last 2 years. We're even hitting double-digit, close to 30% growth, our exports to China, as well as our imports. And the same thing with the U.S. U.S., in fact, is our #1 export market, and China is our #4 export. It's our 4th export market, largest export market. And China is our #1 source of imports. So these are really major trading partners for our country. They're important, both are important, but I guess we're in a good position right now, having very good ties with each one. So, but definitely in the long term, I was saying, and many countries would say that if this will lead to slowing down the global growth, and the estimates are being mentioned, something like 1/2%, and even trade getting affected as well by, I think, a single-digit impact, close to 10%, then that is what will worry us. It will affect eventually the magnitude and growth of our exports to these two countries.
Supply chains are already getting tweaked.
Yes.
Do you sense that the Philippines could actually benefit from the U.S.-China trade war?
Exactly. To a certain extent, we are receiving inquiries from locators from both countries and looking into the Philippines as an alternative manufacturing site, as a way to manage also their risk and spread their source of production. So in that way, you can say that it could give us some more gains with all this development.
Still very uncertain times. We have a China that's slowing down. Global growth has already been cut by the IMF. How do you mitigate the risks for the Philippine economy?
Well, we simply have to just continue to find the right products, innovate, and offer what's not out there. I mean, looked at non-traditional markets as well. Aside from China, we're now talking to Russia. We're talking to stronger ties with the Middle Eastern countries. So we're looking into non-traditional markets. That's our way to still grow our exports.